Dandelions, often seen as pesky weeds, are hiding a secret. They're not just garden invaders, they're also edible and nutritious. In this video, we'll explore the world of dandelions, from identification to harvest, and discover creative ways to enjoy them in your meals. First, let's talk identification. Dandelions are easily recognizable with their sunny yellow flowers and toothed leaves forming a rosette. Look for young, tender leaves for the best flavor. When harvesting dandelion leaves, choose them in the spring or fall. The leaves can become more bitter in the summer. Wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or insects. Now that you have your dandelion leaves, what can you do with them? Add them to your salads for a peppery, slightly bitter flavor. You can also sauté or steam them as a side dish or toss them into stir-fries. But the dandelion goodness doesn't stop there. Did you know you can harvest and roast the roots to make a coffee substitute? Wash, dry, and roast until dark and aromatic. And don't forget about the flowers. Dandelion flowers are not just for looks, they're edible too. Use them to make dandelion wine, add them to salads for a pop of color, or even make dandelion jelly. Now, let's talk nutrition. Dandelion greens are a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. Traditionally, they've been used for their potential diuretic and digestive properties. Incorporate dandelions into your meals with creative recipes. Try them in pesto, smoothies, or soups. The possibilities are endless. A word of caution: only harvest dandelions from areas free of pesticides and contaminants. Ensure you're confident in your identification skills to avoid poisonous look-alike plants. So the next time you see dandelions in your yard, think twice before reaching for the weed killer. Embrace the beauty and benefits of these wild edibles and let your culinary creativity bloom. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature-inspired content. Happy foraging!